Hello and welcome everybody to second devlog of our series. Today I added some icons and sprinting to the character. And I added some damage effect as well. You'll see after our thirst is 0. As you can see. They took a little bit of time, not that much, but UI is kind of a concept that I still don't get fully. And I started the inventory, but I couldn't finish today and I'm very tired. As you can see, I make an add and remove item functions, but I couldn't finish the UI today. I started it, but I couldn't finish it. So I guess I'll finish it tomorrow. For today, I had some jobs, so I couldn't do a lot as well. I guess I publish this video tomorrow as well, and that's it, I guess. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry I am too tired. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Is water a little bit weird? No, see you later.